Hello everybody and welcome back to Tasty Home Cooking. In this video we'll be making a delicious yet simple recipe because it only has two main ingredients. We'll be making a delicious onion eggs. Now let's get started with this amazing recipe. Here are all of your ingredients. Start off by peeling your onions. Cut your onions as shown. Put a pan on top of a stove. Turn on your stove to high. We used a cast iron since it works better, but you could use any pan. If you are using a cast iron, wait for it to start smoking. Once it's ready, add oil to the pan. Add your onions. Now stir. You want to constantly stir so it doesn't burn. Once golden, add your butter. Continue stirring. Stir. Add your salt. And continue stirring. Once golden brown, add your eggs. Slightly spread out your eggs. Don't mix your eggs in. place the lid. Turn off your stove. And let the pan sit until the eggs cook. After 3 to 4 minutes, it's ready. Optional, you could add red pepper for flavor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. Enjoy!